So after you signing in to your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure subscription is still active because you cannot watch Recipe TV without having YouTube TV base plan first. And then to watch recipe.tv, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then you want to click like here on the search icon and you want to search for recipe, and here on recipe.tv you want to click on it, and then you want to scroll down and see the live session of recipe.tv. And if you want to record any live session to watch it later, you can just hover over the specific live session, and then you want to click like here on the three dots and then click on add with the show name. Or if you want to record the current live show using your TV, then you want to open the current live show and then tap on the row 2 or 3 times with your TV remote, and then tap on the plus icon around the bottom of your TV screen. Or if you want to record the upcoming live show with your TV, then you want to open up that upcoming show and then choose an option called Add to Library on your TV. This way, you don't need to stand by all day to watch the live session because YouTube TV already record the show for you even when you are not watching it on live. And then to check on every live session that you add or recorded before, you want to go to your top of your screen and then you want to click right here on the library beside the home page. So on your TV, you can just hop into library without looking into the live session and enjoy your favorite show. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch recipe.tv on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.